Hey guys, we're looking at circumference of parts of circles. Sorry there's already annotations on here. I didn't realize that my microphone was off, so I had to restart our video. All right, so we're finding the circumference. I wrote out the circumference formula from our notes. Circumference is 2 pi r, or 2 r, 2 radius is the same thing as a diameter, or diameter times pi. And because we're only finding the circumference for half of the circle, I wrote down on our formula, it's half of the circumference and half. That way we don't make a mistake, right? We find the full circumference, plug it in, and get the wrong answer. So I'm being super upfront in the beginning. We only want half of the circumference, right? We're not finding the full circle, just half of the circle, the distance on the outside. All right, so we're plugging this in. We're given diameter, so let's use the diameter pi instead of 2 pi r, because just to save us like a couple seconds. All right, so it's half of diameter is 8 pi. Half of 8 is 4 pi, and down here it says we can either put it as an exact answer or leave it in terms of pi. So why do more work when you can do less work instead? So we're just going to leave it as 4 pi. So we're going to type in 4 and find the pi button. Here it is, 4 pi. And we'll check. If my computer will load, we'll find out. It's a very long, dramatic pause to see if we're right. We are right. All right, I'm going to pause it while it's loading. Sorry, my computer is so slow. All right, so we got the last one correct, but my computer glitched out, so I apologize that it's all choppy in this video. But we're going to look at one more. Same idea, right? Circumference. Look at that beautiful handwriting. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or we can say diameter times pi. Either one says the same thing. And again, we're looking at a half circle. So we don't want the full circumference, the full circle. We just want half of it. So I'm going to include that in our equation just to remind us of what's happening here. So half of 2 pi r. So half of 2 pi, and instead of r, right, this is our radius. They tell us radius. They say it is 9, so we're going to plug that in. Half of 2 is 1, so that's gone. Rewriting, that's 9 pi, pi times 9, or 9 times pi. And again, we can plug that in the calculator, or we can leave it in terms of pi. So let's just leave it like that, so we can do less work. So 9 pi, and we'll check again. Hooray! All right, so go ahead and use this video while you finish up the rest of your homework. And again, remember to be careful just checking, what are they giving us? Are they giving us a radius first or a diameter? And what are we trying to find? A full circumference or just half? And then as always, let me know if you have any questions. All right, take care.